Hi everyone, this is Alon Therapy, your online therapist. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we will focus on cracking your back or self-manipulation that can feel great and can help relieve back tension or back pain when it's done correctly. But before that, let's hit it. Before you attempt to adjust your back with a good back crack, it's very important to have a proper diagnosis. Make sure you have cleared it with your doctor or a physical therapist. If you have certain diagnoses, you should not crack your back at all. The first way to crack your back is using a medium to low height chair. If the chair is not padded, you might want to use a towel for extra padding. Put your hands behind your head and lean back over the backrest of the chair where you want to pop your back. Taking a deep breath and letting the air out. Want to do this super gently and don't overdo it or cause extra pain. The next way to crack your back is by using your hands behind you. I like to call this the reverse Heimlich maneuver. The motion will be upwards at an angle. Use a quick thrust when you do this, and taking a deep breath in and pushing when all the air is blown out helps. And taking a deep breath, this should be helpful for the middle back to reduce the pressure from your diaphragm in areas that related to your digestive system. Now here are some ways to do it with a foam roller. Put the roller horizontally on the ground where you want to crack your back when you lie on it. So put your hands behind your head again to protect your neck, taking a deep breath and pushing when all the air is blown out helps. Don't forget to pay attention to your breath in order to make the crack open up naturally. Finally guys, lay down on your back. Try to keep your upper back flat on the ground. Put one leg straight and then bend the other one up over the leg. Would like to hook the foot onto the back of the knee. Put the opposite arm straight to the back to connect the upper back. And taking a deep breath and out. Pull over the same time. Use quick push when you do this. And other side and out. I just want to remind you, if it's painful, don't do it. Go to your doctor or to your physical therapist that can diagnose your back pain. These exercises are supposed to loosen up your back. All right guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're not feeling any pain at the moment. I will be your online therapist. Cheers guys, I'll see you next time.